very good. So like this, I also feel like teachers should be evaluated. Like I was wrong
No, no,
because
you are changing your side now.
yes,
So
I'm telling
now,
that I don't have any problem because that I am changing my point because if they are not evaluated, sometimes they will take their job for granted. So it should not be. After if someone get a job in government school, so if they are after ending the month they are getting salary and they are not doing their job properly, so they should be evaluated. And I am no hesitation my for changing my points.
okay, so Nilendu,
Yes.
you're on one side. Yes, Lina.
In our time,
Yeah.
uh, I have not seen any cheat teacher. Everyone comes and try to understand us, and they did their did this from their heart. And how we will understand everything in our times? No, I can't remember any cheat teacher.
They didn't
This
cheat, right?
never cheated us. They're very good, very much good.
But now times have changed.
Now the
And
government,
So
the
why were
government,
they good?
good. The
There,
government
there
cheated
was
us.
no way for the students to grade their teachers. But why they were good that times?
Therefore, that time, because that time was the authority was strict. There is a post SI. There is a post SI. He visited the schools. Nowadays, no visiting of SI. And
Now
we have-
also they are visiting, but the teachers are giving their bribes to manage.
yes, no. Mainly there is a post SI, but not more. So many schools. I have to appoint so many SIs.
The
Government
government has
and what the teacher will be cheat who has get the job by cheating, don't appear in the exam and they're getting teaching profession. They will
by resources. Yes,
By-
Linda, by resources, they're getting these jobs sometimes.
yes. Sometimes now it is Human is true. It is true.
এটা এখন সাধারণ হয়ে
Yes,
গেছে।
yes.
It
এটা
is
এখন
true.
sometimes এটা এখন বেশি।
So,
I have-
so Nilendu, you agree to her point?
Yes, madam.
Yeah?
This is the responsibility of the government to evaluate the teachers, and they should recruit the teachers in a proper way.
There is no teacher
And
then.
they have created a dedicated bachelor degree course for they can read the child's mind beautifully. So the teacher should have the responsibility to learn from that course properly, that how should I teach.
What happens is they teach you the techniques, okay?
Yeah.
How to learn. They teach you the technique. The rest is up to you whether you want to get a job by resources or whether you want to actually earn the whole thing.
Actually, I think that the teaching should not be professionalized. From when it is acted like a profession, then the downgrading of Indian education system has been started.
Mr. Modak, do you agree to what
Once
he
upon a
said
time, the
just
teacher
right now?
suggested the king how to how to create a better country, how to develop our country. Once a teacher had that
By
position.
less teachers. The school is going by less teachers. One advertisement one school has done that the physics teachers wanted the salary is to 2,000 rupees. There is no
Yeah.
subject teacher in many schools.
In our
May-
school also there is no science teacher
yes, there is
from
no.
Okay, Anil,
around from
If,
10 years ago
if any
when I passed our HSC.
if any arts teacher teach physics, it would
Taught.
not physics, it would be better.
Okay, Mr. Modak, I asked you a question, and can you please share your view?
Uh, as Miss Lina ma'am told that in earlier time teaching was not a profession, it was like a worship. So that time teachers were very decent and honest. They used to teach student in very well mannered way. But nowadays, as Nilendu said that teaching is nowadays treated like a profession, a business. So obviously, when the money things comes, then quality goes down. And as they told, some given the example of some government institution or a private institution. So in that aspect, I would like to say that for government institution, there should be top management who will monitor all these things. If there is a grading system or review system for teachers, so it should be also there that who are giving the gradings and who are giving what. Like if the defaulters, like Nilendu, are told that some bad students were there, obviously it would be there. Even we have seen in our class out of 30 or 40 students, some students are always notorious, mainly the backbenchers. So the grading system or review system should be like every student have to mention their name and their open view, whatever they think, how the teacher teaching them or how the teacher's behavior is. And management should decide based on a group rating, not an individual rating. And even they have to see that who is giving the rating, the defaulters or the good students. So this is my view, ma'am.
All
Make
right.
it transparent and
Yes,
good,
as
review system.
transparent as it's possible.
Yeah.
Okay.